If you want to create Galaxy Avatar on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down and you want to go to Advanced Features. Over here in Advanced Features, we should be able to go to the Galaxy Avatar. And here you can, of course, allow the Galaxy Avatar to be able to take pictures and record video. We can also grant access to images. And then over here, we can tap on Create New Avatar. And here we have a couple of different presets that we can use. So you can start from something. So let's say I'm going to choose this character over here. We can also create avatar with the camera, hence why we can grant access to the camera. And there is also create avatar from image. So if you have a picture of yourself, for example, then you can use it as a reference to create the avatar. I'm going to use this preset, however. And if we proceed, then of course we have the customization. So you can change the hair, you can use the mustache. We have a couple of additional options, of course. There's actually lots of options that we can go through. So you should be able to personalize your character, your avatar, and you can make it look, you can make them look exactly as you want them to look like. Of course, we can also go to style in order to use different clothings. The list is also quite long, so definitely you should be able to find something that you like. And once you create your avatar, we should be able, once you set it up, once you customize it, you want to tap on save in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.